Did you know there's a tree that grows up to 15 feet per year and can make you $200,000 per acre in just 5 to 7 years? Meet the Paulownia tree, one of the fastest growing and most profitable trees in the world. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, high-income agro-business, this might be your golden ticket. Stay tuned as we break down how to start, grow, and profit from the Paulownia tree business. Welcome to the future of sustainable business. In today's video, we'll show you what the Paulownia tree is and why it's so valuable. A step-by-step guide to starting your own Paulownia tree farm, how much profit you can make per acre, and most importantly, how to sell your timber for maximum returns. Many people believe tree farming takes decades before making a profit. Traditional hardwoods like oak or mahogany take over 20 to 50 years to mature, but what if I told you there's a tree that grows 10 times faster and requires minimal maintenance? That's where the Paulownia tree comes in. The Paulownia tree, also called the Empress tree, is known for its lightweight, durable timber. It's used in furniture making, construction, musical instruments, and even biofuel production. This tree is in high demand globally, especially in China, Japan, and the US, making it a hot business opportunity. Step 1. Choose the right land. Paulownia thrives in well-drained, sandy loam soil with a pH of 5.5 to 7.5. Avoid areas with prolonged waterlogging. Step 2. Get quality seedlings. Purchase certified Paulownia seedlings or tissue-cultured plants for better survival rates. Step 3. Planting the trees. Best time to plant? Spring from March to May or early autumn from September to October. Spacing plant each tree 10 to 15 feet apart to ensure healthy growth. 1 acre can hold almost 500 trees. The best part, Paulownia trees are low maintenance. Watering, young trees need regular watering but mature ones survive in drought conditions. Fertilization, apply nitrogen-rich fertilizers in the first year for strong growth. Pruning, trim side branches to increase timber quality and ensure a straight trunk. Fun fact, Paulownia absorbs 10 times more CO2 than other trees, making it an eco-friendly business. When do you harvest Paulownia trees? In just 5 to 7 years. The best part? They regrow after cutting so you can reharvest without replanting. But how much can you earn per acre? A single Paulownia tree yields half to 1 cubic meter of timber. Selling price? Between $300 to $1,000 per cubic meter depending on quality. Average profit? 500 trees per acre times average, 0.8 cubic meters per tree equals 400 cubic meters. If sold at an average of $500 per cubic meter, total revenue equals $200,000 per acre. That's why Paulownia farming is one of the most profitable tree businesses. Now let's talk about where to sell your Paulownia timber for maximum profit. Timber and lumber companies sell directly to sawmills. Export market high demand in the United States, China, Japan, and many other countries. Furniture and flooring businesses, great for local markets. Bioenergy companies use Paulownia for charcoal and biomass energy. So is Paulownia tree farming worth it? Fast-growing and sustainable, cheap costing, huge demand worldwide, low maintenance and high profit. If you have unused land and want a long-term passive income, Paulownia is your best bet. Do you think Paulownia tree farming is a good business? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business ideas and investment tips. See you in the next video.